Hi, in today's video, we are going to look into Argand's plane in complex number. I am Hari Prasad from IIM, Institute of Academic Mathematics. In complex numbers, z is equal to x plus imaginary of y can be represented as x comma y in the Argand's plane. Okay, so we are going to represent this as x comma y in Argand's plane. How to represent that in this particular graph? Okay, so we are going to look into that with few examples. Okay, let us take an example of 3 plus 2i. We can represent this as 3 as the x-axis and 2 as the y-axis. 3 comma 2. Second example is 6, number 6. It has got only the real part of it, the imaginary part of it is missing, so we can write it as 6 comma 0. As the imaginary part is missing, we are writing it as 0. Now let us look into another example. Minus 4i. So in this the real part is missing, so I am going to write it as 0 comma minus 4. Okay, so let us plot these values in the graph. Okay, so we'll take another example before that. So we'll take like minus 3 minus 2i. Okay, so the real part we are going to write it as minus 3 and the imaginary part as minus 2. Okay, so let us plot them in the graph for our understanding. Okay, so first let us take 3 comma 2. 3 in the x-axis, so this is your x-axis and the vertical line is your y-axis. Okay, so where is 3 in the x-axis? 3 is here, followed by 2 in y-axis, so this point is your 3 comma 2. Next, followed by we are done with this. Next we are to plot 6 comma 0. So where is 6? 6 in x-axis is here, 0 in y-axis is on the same line, so it is not rising anywhere. Just have a point here and write it as 6 comma 0. 6 in the x-axis and 0 in the y-axis, so there is no rising here, so it is 6 comma 0. Now it is 0 comma, now we are done with this. Okay, then move on to the next one. It is 0 comma minus 4. So 0 in x-axis and minus 4 in y-axis. In y-axis we have got minus 4 here, so it is 0 comma minus 4. Hope you guys understand the difference between 6 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 4. So wherever there is an increment in the number, we have to plot it at that point, and 0 in the other axis, 0 in the y-axis, so there is no height. So for example, if you see there is no 0, if there is no increment in the y side, so we are plotting it as 0 in the x-axis and minus 4 in the y-axis. Okay, now we are done with this as well. So the next point is like, for our understanding purpose, I have taken an additional example. It is minus 3 comma minus 2. Okay, so where is minus 3 in x-axis? In x-axis minus 3 is here. Okay, between minus 2 and minus 4. And where is minus 2? Somewhere here. Okay, so this is minus 3 and minus 2. Okay, this is all about Argand's plane in complex numbers. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment box. Thank you.